How to download apps on Windows 10 on PC. Hi guys, so in this video I will teach you how to download apps on Windows 10 on PC. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. It's just pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So to do that, what we need to do is to just head over to our laptop right here or PC and click on the search bar right here. Then from in there, just search for Microsoft Store. So in here, as you can see here, the Microsoft Store. So what we need to do is just click on this open right here in order to open the store. So let's just wait for this to load right here and open to the home page. Now, once this is open, you can see in here the Microsoft Store itself. So in here, as you can see, there are the top free apps that you can download on your computer. So if, for example, you're looking for something that is not in here, for example, you're looking for Netflix, for example, and you can just search from in here. And then from in there, it will show you some results of Netflix. So click on Netflix right here. And then from in there, you can see it is loading. So in here, you can also see the install button. So let's click on the install right here. And it will install the app on Windows 10 on PC. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to download apps on Windows 10 on PC. If you have questions or comments, kindly put in the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.